30 for lockdown. We are indoors for 30 days now and the bikes are lying outside. So this is Vic from Woodland and today I'm going to take care of my Himalayan. So I have all my chain cleaning set up over here and also my toolkit. So I'll be using a mixture of diesel and water to clean the chain, and I have my Motul C2 which I use for the chain dip, and here's the chain cleaning brush, and also I have my toolkit. Let's take a look inside the toolkit. I have my microfiber cloth and I have my Motomax bike liquid polish, my tire shiner, the WD-40, and also the scratch remover. So I'm going to use this on my bike today and we're going to check it out how the bike looks. So as you can see, my Himalayan was covered all this while, but still it has accumulated a lot of dust and even the seats are dirty. We take a look at the chain. I don't know what is the condition of the chain. Chain looks pretty clean and there seems to be a bit of lube, but still I don't know how it accumulated dirt. So anyway, we are going to take care of all this. So let's start. First and foremost, we are going to clean the chain with the mixture of the diesel and the water. So what I normally do is I loosen up the cap a little bit. And I start pouring the mixture. Also on the inside of the chain. And we let it sit for some time, for 5 minutes approximately. In the meantime, we can wipe the bike. So the next step is I take out my microfiber cloth, my polish, my WD-40 and my bike polish, and all this I don't need. I need a piece of cloth to clean the chain. It is very important to not only clean the chain on the outside but also on the inside. In the Himalayan, the inside of the chain is over here, so we're going to fix the chain over there and rotate the tire. After this, I'm going to use a piece of rag and clean the chain. And also on the inside part. So that's done, the chain is done. We'll let the chain dry and then we'll spray the chain lube. Okay, so now let us go for wiping the body. So we're using the Motomax liquid bike polish. So after that I'm going to go over with my WD-40 on all the parts which can be rusted. And we do the C2, the chain lube. So for the chain lube, again I'm going to spray it on two sides. So for the tires, I'm using the Motomax Shiner. All I have to do is spray it evenly on my tire. What it does is, it does not allow the rubber to get dry and crack up, and hence the tire lasts for a long time. All you have to do is take the microfiber cloth and give it a nice wipe. So we're going to do the same thing on the front tire. Generally it is recommended to wash the tires before applying the shine, but since my bike has been already washed, it was lying here, so, and the tire looks dry, so I'm just applying it. So folks, the bike is ready. As you can see, I have already wiped it. It's clean. The chain and all, there was not much mud and anything because we are not riding nowadays, but anyway it is clean right now, and any day I can ride it out again.
I got them coming at me all angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tangle. I could feel them try to grab me by the ankles. I can hear them all start to say my name, oh. But it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and I won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Pop a couple shots and now I'm fucked up in the bathroom. Got them going off and now they listen like a classroom. Gotta top them off because I told them all they have to. Always popping off the whole squad, gotta pass. Gotta keep your head high through the hate, yo. Gotta make a better life through the pain, yo. Got a chance to do it right, so do your thing, yo. Don't let anybody ever try to change, yeah. I feel blessed, yeah. Yeah, I feel blessed, yeah. I feel blessed, yeah. Yeah, I feel blessed, yeah.
I got them coming at me all angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tangle. I could feel them try to grab me by the ankles. I can hear them all start to say my name, oh. But it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and I won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Living every day like it's my last day cause you have to. Any given day could be your final chance to act. You got only one life, live it right, don't hold back. Do exactly what you like.
So that was the lockdown maintenance of my Himalayan. As of now it's in perfect condition. So when the lockdown is over, we are going to take it out for a spin. Until then,
stay safe everybody.
See ya.
I'll never be holding back. I feel blessed, yeah. Yeah, I feel blessed, yeah. I feel blessed, yeah. Yeah, I feel blessed.